Hi friends, I am Sujit Kumar from Excel 24 IP Excel School. In this video, we have discussed about the making the individual report via pivot table. So this is the data, this is the sales data. I want to create a report with pivot table. So we have just created the pivot table, then okay, and I want to making the report by product and store with total amount generated. And now I want to filter by month. So we have put the month in the filter sections. You can see here, when you have select the April, so here is the April report. When you select the May, so the May report. I want to each month report individual seats. So every month seat, we create the 12 month seat, and every month seat every seat have a created pivot table, and in the pivot table automatically select the filter the month. How can do that? So we have used the pivot table options. Go to the pivot table analyze. First click on the pivot table, go to the pivot table analyze, and there is the option. Click on the options, and here is the option show report filter per page. Click the show report filter per page and select your filter. Remember, using these features, you have put the your filtered field in the filter section. Which field have a filter section? So here report filter per page. Just select and press the OK. In the few seconds, you have created 12 sheets, the individual pivot report for your criteria. You can see that. So you want to learn complete advanced Excel? Please call me. On screen, I have my WhatsApp number. Also go to the pin comment and join my WhatsApp group and ask any questions. Thank you.